Mokore Safaris has been established in Coutada 9 since 2002. When we first came to this area, there was very little wildlife here. The wildlife population here had been decimated after 20 years of civil war. For the past 18 years, Mokore Safaris has been heavily involved in trying to rejuvenate this area. This has come at a huge expense, and it took a lot of hard work through anti-poaching efforts, through developing water, and with very limited resources. Since the beginning, we've pulled out nearly 12,000 gin traps. It's been a huge conservation effort, and it's helped rebuild the wildlife population in Coutada 9. In recent years, we've been very fortunate to receive some funding from Dallas Safari Club. This funding has been put towards providing uniforms and camping equipment for our anti-poaching scouts. We also received 12 radios, which are a critical element in our anti-poaching efforts within the Coutada. Having this radio system helps minimize our reaction time and strategize to intercept poachers. And more recently, Dallas Safari Club very generously donated us with a vehicle. We're trying to patrol very rugged terrain, and within this we have created 1,500 kilometers of roads which we used for deploying our scouts. So this vehicle donated by Dallas Safari Club has been an essential tool for our anti-poaching efforts. We realize that it's extremely important that the communities understand the benefit of wildlife within the Coutada 9.
Community engagement is really important for conservation, because if you don't get the people on side, you're never going to win with protecting a wildlife area. Over years, if you engage with the community and educate them and show them the benefits of having a wildlife area like this, then the poaching will just naturally reduce, because they won't want to jeopardise the benefits of having this amazing area. Mokore's done a really great job so far going into the community, seeing what they need, but there's only so much they can do. So by organisations like Dallas Safari Club, it really boosts what we can achieve in the community, and that's what community outreach does. It stops those poachers going there in the first place. So if you can do that, you really can turn the tide and save the area properly, because that's a long-term solution.
As well as contributing financially to these communities, any excess meat we have goes to the surrounding communities, and it gives them a much needed source of protein, which in turn reduces the poaching pressure on the wildlife within the Coutada. I'd just like to thank the DSC Foundation and those who support them for all their contributions towards wildlife conservation, not only in Mozambique but throughout Africa. Areas like these would not be successful without their continued support.